Hi tech enthusiasts, this is Dean here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete an email address in cPanel. Welcome back. If you have an email and you no longer need it or you want to delete it that you have created within your cPanel, then that's pretty easy. All you need to do is first to head on to your cPanel and log in with your credentials. After that, you will be within the dashboard. From here, select the second tab normally, which is the email, and head to email accounts. Few seconds, and here all your emails will be featured within the list. You can delete all of them at once, or you just select individual ones, as it is the case in here. We'll be selecting this one that you want to delete. Select it and hit delete. All the data associated with this email account will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered, so make sure you select the account properly. Next, accept and hit delete. And voila, you have a message: the email account has been successfully deleted, and now it leaves space for more emails for your hosting or cPanel or the plan you are using. And that's it for this tutorial. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like the video, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new tutorial like this one. Till next tutorial, this is your host, Dean. See you around. Peace.